underbrush. A man like me never ever brushes his teeth unless he wants to feel free. That's right, to kiss up shoddy. Ooh, in the morning. Ooh, ooh. Now we about to get into the waves. AK all day.
AK to save you, elevate. We going in ya every day. We just laying all the waves everywhere, every side. You know that I'm the guy. I hit the lip and do a flip and be like, damn, that's crib. Oh shit. Woo! It's time to dip. They want me in the wind down there.
Oh shit. You're right. Maybe you should go find them.
It's only like 20, like 30 minutes maybe. It'd be the same. It'd take the same amount of time as going to Key Hat for sure.
The call is to call up Spencer Archuleta. If he doesn't answer, then we know that it's time for Connor Manu.
This is a
That's the nipple.
those are the good ones.
Thing is, when you touch each other's nipples, you actually become more in tune with the way that your souls interact, and you're more capable of rescuing each other out on the water when some shit goes down. I got us lovers, whether through the grass, because we cannot stop and walk through the puddles. Splash! Whoa! And we're good.
Holy shit.
We is
For the thing, for the bang, for the chain. Yeah, you know how I flow, how I like to go. Oh, I got the hair in my mouth. Why? Because it's so long, but it's so fly. I never ever gonna cut it. You know why? Because it's my way. Oh, why? I love.
Hey.
floating in the track like Segway. Fly in a bitch in an airplane. Racing this bitch high octane. I believe in life, can't complain. This hot sauce can't contain. Bitches sucking dick like ramen. I'm getting shit like Sensei. Smoking all day Bob Marley. Think you're coming close, no damn way. No one can compete with the vacay. I've been doing this like all day. All these little niggas so salty. That's irrelevant. I've been stuffing shit like an elephant. Never the flow so heaven sent. All these niggas is getting bent. All this money getting fucking spent. All these lanes is paying rent. Gotta go to church and repent. Gotta get rid of all these demons. Diamond gleaming, rocket beaming. All they dreaming, groupies screaming. They're repeating, never seen it. What you think I'm never leaving? Haters scheming, leave them bleeding. Every time that I repeat, they be wondering what I thinking. So I tell them, bitch keep dreaming. Water's whoa, fly so fast. It's like this praying. These bitches dead, I leave them laying. This pace I keep maintaining. This shit is so amazing. These niggas dry like raisins. Y'all all in shock like tasers. Keep y'all cut like razors.
What time is it, by the way? Shit.
On this island, I'm a young and proud Hawaiian. Sent with bitches, perfect timing. In the ocean, wave riding. Always smiling. You will never catch me hiding. Cause I'm off the wall, freestyle, skydiving. Or I'm riding on a lion. Dirtayboyz is in the sky, man, sea to sea. Then we sail to the horizon.
Yo, you know that life, like to live it up. I got this ideology that I never give up. I always want to try my very best, but sometimes I need rest. But sometimes I need to lift my chest. I just cannot do it without the stress. Oh no, I must do rest. And now I go into a state of mind where everything is bliss. I just open up and I'm not pissed no more. My emotions are my own ocean. I drink a potion, I'm feeling large. I just continue to expand regardless of the people around me. I do not demand much, so please just be proud of me. Talking to the creator every single day. I create my own vapors, my own papers. I smoke in this beautiful world. I have that Hana, I have that Lahaina, I have that Aina. I'm never ever gonna try to diss nothing on this island. I wanna live and be who I wanna be, so I just bail from society. I put my pedal to the metal. I am feeling so damn good on this instrumental, cause it's all I need. My ride and my queen and my boy, oh you know, on the side we just rapping and going hard. Now I know for sure that my pride will never ever wipe away the things that I hold close. So to the most high I say yo, fucking toast. Woo!
I'm happy.
Come on.
falls and held onto my board. Water jetted up and just knocked my shoulder out. Other than that, man, I think it's time to mop.
He did a triple. Oh, he did a triple. He did a triple.